Prime Minister Narendra Modi will virtually lay the foundation stone of various development projects in Maharashtra worth over Rs 7,600 crore through video conference. BJP leader and Haryana Chief Minister Nayaab Singh Saini met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi today, following the BJP's victory in assembly elections. President Draupadi Murmu has emphasized the need to encourage youth to establish enterprises in Ayurvedic sector to increase the availability of traditional medicines across the country. Delhi High Court adjourned hearing on pleas seeking cancellation of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi's citizenship. And in badminton, Indian shuttler Lakshya Sen has advanced to men's singles pre-quarter finals of the BWF Arctic Open 2024 in Vantaa, Finland today.